Hello, guys. My name is Telma, and today I want to talk about a natural product that treats tinnitus. Sonus Complete. But before talking about the product, I must say that Sonus Complete is only found on the official website. Therefore, do not buy elsewhere, as there can easily be counterfeits of the product. And this can be very harmful to your health, okay? The official website of Sonus Complete is fixed in the description of this video and also in the first comment. How does Sonus Complete work? Scientists uncovered chronic tinnitus has absolutely nothing to do with your ears, nor is it a bacterial infection or virus. It actually goes much deeper. It's a disease of the networks that connect the brain. Unfortunately, memory loss, dementia, and so many other memory disorders start with the failure of brain networks. To put it simply, your brain is a ticking time bomb and tinnitus is the emergency alert. Now, the supplement works in the following way. Step 1. Your hearing begins to clear as the brain networks are getting repaired and the nervous system calmed down. The buzzing brain networks are quickly fixed and the intensity of tinnitus sounds being to lower in the first few days. Step 2. You regain your quiet mind while your brain networks are strengthening and becoming indestructible. Tinnitus is attacked out by the incredibly strong brain connections. Step 3. You feel your memory stronger than ever while your damaged brain cells are quickly being repaired. Wiping out years of brain deterioration resulted from the broken networks. Step 4. You feel your brain supercharged while cell regeneration begins. The tinnitus brain that made you a vegetable is now being rejuvenated. You think faster, better, clearer. It's like your brain is on steroids. Step 5. Not worrying anymore about tinnitus and brain disorders, because your brain is being trained for a perfect health. Your brain is being cleaned of toxins and plaque, your neural connections are multiplying, while a shield against tinnitus and memory loss is being created. Is this program for everyone? Yes. It is safe for people of any age. Sonus Complete is non-invasive and risk-free, helping your damaged brain networks to quickly and effortlessly fight tinnitus, giving your mind the relief to achieve anything you want while feeling amazing in the process. This program has also proved to be successful for people with early onset of memory loss. This is not unusual, since Sonus Complete was designed to also rejuvenate brain cells. As I told you before, tinnitus is just an emergency alert that announces something's wrong deep inside in your brain. Dealing with the root cause of tinnitus means dealing with any existing brain damage. How do I get Sonus Complete? Buy Sonus Complete only on the official website, which is in the description of this video, okay? I hope I helped you. See you later.